Calcium carbide slag is large, contains high alkali content, and contains sulfur, arsenic, and other harmful substances. Without treatment, discharge will block the sewer, obstructed riverbed, harm fishery production. Stacking on land will occupy land and pollute the environment. So we need to plan our time wisely. Calcium carbide slag ball press can be well treated. When we use calcium carbide slag ball press, we should pay attention to the fact that no metal is allowed in the material. Otherwise, the surface of the roller will be damaged. When feeding, the adjustable screw feeder will be used to observe the return amount, to adjust the supply of new material. Before feeding, it is necessary to make the machine whole run for several weeks before starting to fill the material, to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing overload of the reducer and motor, making the roller shaft of the ball press broken.